Hi guys, welcome back to another video in No Break November. This video is really a quick one and it's just to show you guys how I attach these lock extensions on my client's head and to also give you guys a bit of an advisory when it comes to ordering lock extensions online. So stay tuned if you want to hear more. So this is what my client is starting with. He has an undercut, but most of his hair is grown out loose, natural hair. So this is what we're starting with. And as I attach his locks, I will be talking through and just talking about what to look out for and what to be careful with when it comes to ordering lock extensions online, especially if you think you are ordering them from me. So this is kind of what happened to him. He ordered lock extensions online. I'm showing you guys here what tool I'm using. You can find that in my Etsy shop as well. But he thought he was ordering locks from me. He was not ordering locks from me. And when the locks came in, they were not the size he wanted. They were much smaller than what he wanted. But he wanted to go ahead and attach them anyway. And we made plans to make them thicker later on in another appointment. And I'll be posting that in another video. And this is a clip of what his locks looked like before. This is with the locks that he ordered that were not for me, that were much smaller than he wanted them to be. A few of them were the correct size, but most of them were not the right size. So we went ahead and made them thicker by adding hair to them and bulking it up. So stay tuned for that video where I'll show how I do that. Okay, so back to lock extensions. When purchasing them online, make sure that it is the correct vendor, whether it be me or someone else. Make sure it is actually that person, their website, whatever platform they're using to sell the lock extensions on. Make sure you make contact with them. Make sure you email them, because what happens is a lot of people, I get a lot of emails of people who are like, hey, I ordered lock extensions from you and I never received them. But this is way after they have ordered these lock extensions from the wrong vendor. And by then it's too late. By the time you're emailing me and saying you didn't get these extensions that you didn't order from me, and we find out that you didn't order them from me, in fact, it is too late. You've already spent your money and all this good stuff. So it is imperative that you double check and triple check who you're buying them from. I sometimes have people who answer the emails for me, so they have general information that they send to everyone who is interested in buying lock extensions from me or interested in getting an appointment with me, whatever the case may be. So these people are not equipped to give you lock advice or anything like that. So if you emailed me with lock advice or whatever it is and you didn't get a response, please don't feel bad. I just received so many emails that most of the time it's not me replying to you. If it is something really complex dealing with an appointment or an order that someone made, then I will hop on and handle that. But most of the time it's not me. So don't feel bad if you didn't get a reply and your email had nothing to do with an appointment. That's just, they don't know how to answer that. So basically, I have a strict process in which I do lock extensions now, and I do not deviate from it. So it goes like this. If you are interested in lock extensions, you email me. I get pictures or videos of your hair for the sake of you not traveling from wherever you are, because I get people who travel from other states, travel from other countries. It would be kind of crazy for them to fly all the way to where I am just for a consultation. So I do video and photo consultations, and I'm usually very much accurate with what I determine. So once I determine and I give you advice on whatever it is you need to order, you go to my Etsy shop and you order lock extensions there. Once the lock extensions are ordered and the order is about to be complete, which my lock extensions take an average of 6 weeks to be complete. It can be a little bit sooner or it can be right at 6 weeks. However, that is my timeline, and I always tell potential clients, if you are not okay with that timeline, seek another vendor. And I'm okay with attaching another vendor's lock extensions as long as it is in the same format that I would make mine. So once they are ordered and they are about to be completed, we can then set up a day to attach them, and that's how the process goes. Like I said, I don't deviate from it. That is what it is. And Once again, please be careful when you are ordering anything online, because I've had people who order needles from other people and they'll contact me and say, hey, I never got my needle, when they never ordered it from me. There's no record of their order in my on my site. So definitely be careful with anything, even if it's just an appointment. Be careful who you're booking. Be careful who you're buying from. Make sure you triple check and double check. Make sure you're comfortable with it. I would never spend my money where I'm not comfortable. So this was just a cautionary tale type of video, and a video to show you guys this attachment and to tell you to stay tuned for the next video on how I thickened his lock extensions if you're interested. Thank you guys for watching. Definitely stay tuned for the next video of No Break November. Bye guys.